we were looking at what changes the natural rate of unemployment in the WSPS model. So we talked about how this is shifts in the price setting curve or shifts in the wage setting curve. We already looked at shifts in the price setting curve in part 1. Now we will look at shifts in the wage setting curve. For this, let's recall that the wage setting equation with the assumption P is equal to PE is given to us as W by P is equal to FUC. So the wage setting curve may shift because of a change in Z, where we know this may include factors that increase the workers' bargaining power given the unemployment rate. So if we have an increase in Z, so we have an increase in workers' bargaining position for any given level of unemployment, allowing them to demand higher wages for any given level of unemployment rate. Thus, the WS curve shifts upwards, as we can see in the figure below, because when Z increases, your bargaining power increases for any given level of U. So you're able to demand a higher wage for any given level of U, and the entire curve shifts upwards. Now let's look at factors that can increase a worker's bargaining power for any given level of U. So this could be an increase in unemployment benefits. Now bargaining power in this case rises as it raises the value workers outside option. It could be an increase in the level of unionization. As the higher the unionization, the more collective bargaining power workers have to demand higher wages. It could be because of worker protection laws, which make it more expensive for firms to lay off workers. It could also be an increase in the minimum wage. As the lowest wage a worker can receive increases, thus the worker has the bargaining power, as legislated by the government, to demand higher wages. So these are all factors that can increase Z, representing an increase in the bargaining power for a given level of U, shifting the wage setting curve upward.